Welcome to Time for Lego and Brick Builds. Today I'll be showing you how to build a Lego button that is very satisfying. To start with, you want a 4x4 plate with some 1x4s and 1x2s. You want to start arranging them with 2 horizontal, which should be 1x4s, and 2 1x2s vertical. After, you just want to repeat that step a few more times, but you want to make them overlap. So if you've done the 1x4s vertically, you want to put them horizontally for the next layer. Continue building the exact same thing 5 times continuously, swapping the direction so it keeps overlapping. The reason why you want to overlap is to keep it sturdy. You would want your build to be 6 bricks tall. Next, to build the button, you want a 2x2 brick. Connect a 1x1 cylinder brick on the bottom, and then you want to connect a 2x2 plate. Snap that on top of the one on the 2x2, and then a 2x2 piece with a hole right here to connect. You want to snap that on top of the 2x2 plate and just leave that aside for a bit. To build the actual button mechanism, you want to have a dome piece that looks a bit like this, with a spring that looks a bit like this. Now what you want to do is put the hole from the spring inside the stud and then insert it in. Note, you might need to kind of open it up and put it in before, but that is fine. After you've done that, insert the button and now it clicks. But now, for a lid, you want a 6x6 tile or any tile bigger than that on top with the middle hole matching up with the stud right here. And after you do that, you have officially completed your Lego button. But if you want a remote control holder with it, what you can do is build another base, which is a 3x6 base, and then attach a 2x3 plate here, a 1x2 plate and a 1x1 plate right here in this certain alignment, and then snap it on the bottom with these 9 holes. So then your final product should be looking like this. And to see how it works, you just want to flick this off or take it off and then just stop pressing the button. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe.